The brain is the most complex part of the human body. Within the brain are over 100 billion nerve cells, called neurons, sending electrical and chemical signals to and from the body. Each neuron has a cell body, a long nerve fiber called an axon, and projections of the cell body, called dendrites. Axons in the brain connect neurons with each other, which in turn provide extensive interconnections with other brain areas. Because the brain and its nerve cells are so fragile, sudden, rapid movements of the head can cause injuries. During one such injury, called coup contre coup, or acceleration-deceleration injury, the brain bounces back and forth against the bony interior wall of the skull. The impact may be violent enough to cause swelling and bruising of the brain tissue, called a contusion. As the brain moves back and forth within the skull, areas of varying density in the brain slide over each other at different speeds. Axons crossing these junctions experience tremendous shearing forces, causing them to stretch and tear from the cell body. This event is called axonal shearing or diffuse axonal injury. Damage to the axons can lead to a breakdown of communication among neurons in the brain. The torn axons quickly degenerate, releasing toxic levels of chemicals, called neurotransmitters, into the extracellular space. In turn, many of the surrounding neurons begin to die over the next 24 to 48 hours, worsening the initial effects of the injury. Prevacus has designed a nasal therapeutic which easily crosses into the brain. Once in the brain, the compound works through gene amplification to reduce the inflammation and swelling at the two sites of contusion. This action reduces headache, improves memory, prevents balance impairment, and prevents potential life-threatening increases in brain pressure.